In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. As you can see, after that, you can access all of your passwords saved in Password Manager. To get rid of any of them, click on the chosen one, enter your screen lock, and tap on Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!